just the opportunity to be in the same room with so many amazing people, and again from different walks of life. You have students, school community, panelists. That's an amazing opportunity that you don't come across very often.
Women of Wisdom is very good for networking and getting to know more people who will support you throughout your field.
We need to convene and reconvene to have these conversations, because the more you talk about it, the more your message is amplified.
We lack in real life interactions, and I think if you're looking for inspiration, if you're looking for motivation, if you're looking to expand your network, this is a great forum and a great room to be in to build and open up your network, definitely.
I would say to be inspired as well. Come, be inspired and connect with others who are also wanting to be inspired.